How would you feel if I tell you that the government, without any conditions, will give you, say, rupees 1,000 for free? And not just once. The government will give you money every month. And not just you, your family, friends, relatives, and every citizen of this country will get the money for free unconditionally. Some of you might be thinking that this isn't even possible. But let me tell you, this is an economic policy which is seriously being concerned in many countries of the world today. Greetings to everyone. I am Rinal Joshi, and the topic which I've chosen for today is universal basic income is the only way to eradicate poverty. India is the cradle of human race, the birthplace of human speech, the mother of history, the grandmother of legend, and the great-grandmother of tradition. But it will be no exaggeration to say that nearly 68.8% of the total Indian population lives on $2 per day. I repeat, only $2 each day. वो राम की खिचड़ी भी खाता है, वो रहीम की खीर भी खाता है. वो राम की खिचड़ी भी खाता है, वो रहीम की खीर भी खाता है. वो भूखा है जनाब, उसे मजहब कहाँ समझ में आता है, कहाँ समझ में आता है. Poverty is not a natural calamity like earthquake that just happens, but rather it is a result of unfair laws and inequalities. Income actually is a public inheritance that everyone should be entitled to. And this will only be possible when the economic policy called UBI, Universal Basic Income, will be implemented, not just in India, but in every country of the world. Some of you might be thinking that what is the need of the government to distribute money for free? But the most important reason of doing so is the job losses that are happening and will happen due to automation and artificial intelligence. Believe me, the results of UBI are going to be fascinating. The nutrition level of the families and particularly children will go up. There will be improvement in the educational outcomes. And we all know very well that without education, thinking of employment or earning livelihood is next to impossible. Along with education, people will get food, shelter, healthcare, and whatever is necessary for a bright future. But I have a doubt. What is the need of giving money to a person who is already rich? The money from basic income for the super rich person is just useless. So in my opinion, the government should selectively choose people to hand out this income in order to eradicate poverty. I have to say a lot about this amazing topic, but as time is running out, I would like to conclude by saying, yes, I agree that UBI now is the best possible way to eradicate poverty. But the youth of the country should not be dependent on anybody for anything. मुसीबत चाहे जो भी हो, हर आपदा को अवसर बनाना है. मुसीबत चाहे जो भी हो, हर आपदा को अवसर बनाना है. दिखाकर रंग अपनी मेहनत का इस देश को आत्मनिर्भर बनाना है, आत्मनिर्भर बनाना है. थैंक यू. जय हिंद, जय भारत.